Today we discuss complete IELTS reading lesson for beginners. Step-by-step guide. English with Afshan. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to English with Afshan. If you are preparing for the IELTS exam and want to improve your reading band score, today's lesson is specially designed for you. In this complete lesson, we will learn the IELTS reading format, different questions types, a powerful reading strategy, and a short practice activity. So make sure you watch this video until the end. Let's begin our IELTS reading lessons. Part 1. Understanding the IELTS reading test. First, let's understand the structure of the IELTS reading test. In the IELTS reading exam, you will get 3 passages. There are 40 questions and the total time is 60 minutes. The passage increase in difficulty. Passage 1 is usually the easiest. Passage 2 is moderate. Passage 3 is the most challenging. That is why beginners should always start practicing with passage 1 because passage 1 is the usually easiest passage. Part 2. Types of IELTS reading questions. Now let's talk about the common type IELTS reading question types. Understanding question type can help you answer more accurately. Some common types are multiple choice questions, true, false, not given, yes, no, not given. Matching headings, matching information, sentence completion, summary completion, diagram or table labeling. Each question type requires a different strategy, so practice is very important. Part 3. Important reading strategy. Now I will share one powerful strategy used by high-scoring IELTS students. This strategy is called skimming and scanning. Skimming means reading quickly to questions. To skim a passage, read the title. Read the first sentence of each paragraph. Look for repeat keywords. This helps you understand what the passage is about. Now let's talk about scanning. Scanning means searching for specific information such as dates, names, numbers, keywords from the question. Instead of reading everything again, you quickly move your eyes across the text to find the answer. Part 4. Practice activity. Now let's do a quickly practice activity. Imagine the passage topic is the benefit of urban parks. First, skim the passage and understand the main idea. Then read the question. Why are urban parks important for city residents? Your keywords are urban parks, important, city residents. Now scan the passage to find similar words such as public parks, city people, health benefits. Read that part carefully and you will find the answers. This is how you apply skimming and scanning together. Part 5. Homework for students. For today's practice, I want you to do 3 things. Read 1. IELTS passage 1. Try to use skimming and scanning techniques. Do the passage without worrying about time. At the beginning, focus on understanding the process, not speed. Speed will improve with practice. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, comment your target IELTS band score, and subscribe to English with Afshan for more IELTS lesson and English learning tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.